Hey, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the top Facebook ads audience you should be doing in 2022 broad targeting. Now, this is something I believe every Facebook marketer should be doing in at least one ad set in their Facebook campaigns. That's why by the end of this video, you're going to know what is broad targeting, how smart the algorithm is, and why you should leverage it for the scalability of this audience. And also by the end of this video, you'll also know if you should ditch interest-based targeting altogether. But first, if you're new to this channel, I do strongly advise that you always stay ahead of your advertising for your business by staying up to date with the latest changes and strategies. And you can do that just by simply considering if you want to subscribe below. But with that said, what is broad targeting? Because broad targeting is either using a broad interest such as marketing, yoga, bikes, fishing, and so on. And you would then place it at the top of your funnel running to cold audiences. And then you have the open broad targeting. This is when you let Facebook target all of their platform with no interest, no lookalikes or anything placed at this level. But at the same time, you can exclude emails, purchases and engagement. And you do have rough targeting guidelines such as your age, location and gender. And the thing is, when using open targeting, the algorithm spends your money where it thinks your prospect is more likely to be, which leads to the algorithm is smart and why you should leverage it. Because here's the thing, logically, it seems like it would help Facebook to tell them what to target. But the truth is, a few years ago, I would say that's absolutely true. But as time's gone on, the Facebook algorithm is getting super smart. The open targeting has been currently producing one of the best results than interest-based targeting. You see, Facebook's objective at the end of the day is to give people the best experience and give content to what people want to see. They basically show people what they want because they want the user to have a good experience. And they're not going to show people things that make them leave the platform. They're obviously going to give the user the best experience so they always keep coming back on. And this is what the algorithm is designed to do. It tracks everything you do. It knows a lot of data that some would say is quite scary. But all of this is teaching the algorithm about each and every user, so it knows when you're ready to see an ad, even down to when you're ready to pull out a credit card and buy. Now, the next benefit of this is that the scalability is massive, because when you open your targeting, scalability is huge compared to interest scale, because at the end of the day, Facebook will always be able to look for more people who are like your buyers. And as you continue to keep your creative fresh and not let this fatigue out, Facebook can continue to scale with the open targeting more effortlessly. And quite frankly, since interests and lookalike audiences have limit to its audience sizes, these can burn out a lot more quickly, especially true if you have larger budgets. But with an open target to search its entire platform, you are literally talking millions and millions of users it's searching continuously. Now, here's the next thing. Should you give up audience testing? Well, the simple answer is no, because you still want to test multiple audiences and lookalikes. And what I always believe is to test as much as you can and do a mix of both, because what works for me or anyone else will be different for you. And that's the biggest takeaway that you should take when trying out open targeting and broad targeting. You never want to take one thing and create a bias to another, because interests and lookalikes may also be more superior for you as opposed to open and broad targeting. Just like some campaigns that I run, I still have better results than using open targeting for a few campaigns, and another campaign, the open targeting seems to work best. And for more on targeting, there should be a video that's about to pop up around here that you can check out in more detail. But to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe for more videos and to give this a thumbs up if you found it useful. I would really appreciate it and it would help out. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.